Good morning, guys. Another day and a new list of places that we are going to explore in Kolkata now. So I'm going to take you today to Mishti Hub. And there you have a huge variety of sweets, all from the best vendors at one place. Let's get going.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
Alright, so we've reached here and that's our Mishti Hub. I'm super excited to go inside and literally try everything possible. So let's go in. हम अंदर एक्चुअली सारे स्वीट्स ऑर्डर करने के बाद ट्राई करना स्टार्ट कर दिए थे, बट बिकॉज अंदर फोटोग्राफी अलाउड नहीं था एंड आई जेन्युइनली वांटेड टू शो यू गाइज द काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स यू हैव ओवर हियर. ओके, सो लेट्स जस्ट डिग इन. आई एम गोना फर्स्ट ट्राई दिस. This is the shor bhaja. It looks so tempting and let's actually not wait for it and just बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टी है. यू हैव टू ट्राई दिस गाइस. ये खाना बनता है, ये खाना तो ज़रूरी है, बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. सो दिस इज़ द नेक्स्ट आइटम एंड दिस इज़ एक्चुअली बेक्ड रसगुल्ला. दिस इज़ यम गाइस. This is the next one. No, this is not a chocolate fudge or something. This is chocolate shondesh. So let's try this. इसका मैं केक बना के खा सकती हूँ अपने लिए. So delicious. So this is the last from this lot. This is the mango souffle shondesh. This is the best mango sweet that I've ever had. I'm just thinking that when I'll be back to Delhi, I'm gonna literally miss all this. This is a heavily, highly, I don't know how many words I can add over there, recommended place. If you're coming to Kolkata, if you're planning your trip to Kolkata, you have to definitely visit this place. I'm gonna finish my mishti and see you at the next place. March Mishti and more is like the most famous saying for Bengalis. और इस मोर में छुपा है their love and pride for people like Rabindranath Tagore, Satyajit Ray, Saurav Ganguly and many more who have contributed so much in the Indian culture. So कोलकाता आके कोबी गुरुजी का घर मिस करना is totally not fair. तो हम आए हैं आज रविंद्रनाथ ठाकुर जी के घर में, जहाँ ना कि सिर्फ उनका जन्म हुआ, but he has also spent some of the most important years of his life. सैडली कोविड की वजह से अभी इसे बंद किया हुआ है, तो हम अंदर नहीं जा पाए, बट आई एम ग्लैड कि मैं आपको एक झलक दिखा पाई इस जगह की, बिकॉज ये जगह बहुत सुंदर है. डेफिनेटली नेक्स्ट टाइम जब मैं कोलकाता आऊँगी तो मैं यहाँ सबसे पहले आने वाली हूँ एंड आई विल मेक श्योर कि मैं आप लोगों को अपने साथ लेकर आऊँ. The Jorasanko Thakur Badi was closed, so I found this beautiful old mansion. Again, you can see here it's Jorasanko Roy House. It's right next to the Jorasanko Thakur Badi. I'm super excited to check this out. Let's go. अच्छा, एक बात बताओ, जब कोलकाता की बात होती है तो मन में सबसे पहले क्या आता है? आप अपने आंसर्स कमेंट सेक्शन में बता देना. मेरे मन में तो सबसे पहले मिष्टी और हावड़ा ब्रिज आता है. तो अगर मैं हावड़ा ब्रिज नहीं आती तो ये व्लॉग मुझे कंप्लीट ही नहीं लगता. सो मैं आपको लेके आई हूँ 77 ईयर्स ओल्ड कोलकाता की इस शान के पास, जिसके बहुत सारे नाम हैं. Most commonly known as the Howrah Bridge because this bridge connects Kolkata to the adjacent city of Howrah and is also thought to be world's busiest cantilever bridge. Today, it's the world's 6th largest bridge of its kind. तो चलिए जरा नज़ारा लिया जाए इस अद्भुत हावड़ा ब्रिज का. We are at the beautiful Howrah Bridge.
I'm on a slow-moving Greyhound on my way home. I'm on a slow-moving Greyhound on my way home. I can't wait to see my baby. She's home all alone. So, Mr. Bus Driving Man, won't you step on me? Mr. Bus Driving Man, won't you step
Hey guys, so now we have come to this beautiful place called Momo IM. Actually, I was craving so much for momos. मेरी friends ने recommend किया to try this place. The place is beautiful. बहुत सुंदर aesthetically designed place है ये और यहाँ के momos बहुत famous है. So I thought कि जब कोलकाता में है तो Momo IM try करना तो बनता ही है. So we are at Momo IM and let me show you around. So now we are sitting with the owner of this place, Momo IM. His name is Bihu. Let's go ahead and have a quick chat with him. So here I have Bihu with me.
Hi guys.
So tell me the idea behind this whole place.
So the whole idea behind this place was hilly cuisine. You know, there are a lot of restaurants, Chinese restaurants, but not serving Tibetan delicacies like delicacies from Darjeeling, from the mountains, from the Himalayas. So that was our main goal.
Can you tell us something about the specialities of this place?
Yeah, absolutely. As the name goes, momos are our specialty. So apart from momos, there's a lot of other northeast like Tibetan delicacies such as thukpas. We do some Southeast Asian cuisine as well. We have sushi on our menu. We have ramens. We have Bangkok style street noodle soup. So it's basically it's a Tibetan cuisine restaurant, but then we do also do a lot of Southeast Asian dishes.
Is there anything new that you are planning for the place or something new that's coming up?
Yeah, absolutely. We are doing a brewery, micro brewery. So that should come out in the next about 6 months or so. So yeah, get ready for that.
That sounds so awesome, guys. So that was View for you, and this place looks spectacular, and I would definitely recommend for all you guys who are coming to Kolkata, so please come to this place and definitely check it out. And yes, please do have the momos because momos I love. हम लोग आ गए हैं इंडियन कॉफी हाउस में. हाय भैया.
कहाँ से वो बोल रहे हैं कलकत्ता से?
না 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 এটা তো আমারই ছবি আসছে. This is one of those places which has that exquisite authentic feel to it. This place has played a very important role in the history of Kolkata, the cultural history, and is known as the intellectual hub of the city. I was here and I really did not want to miss on this spot. So this time I made it a point that I have to come here and show you guys around this place. So I'm here with my friends for a cup of coffee and I'm going to enjoy that while you take a look at the place. came out of the coffee house. Now I'm walking down the College Street. We're a little late, so that, and you know, because of the lockdown period, things are getting closed pretty quickly. But the lane that I'm walking on right now, ये Asia का largest second-hand book market. There is a saying that if you don't find a book over here, probably the book doesn't exist. We're at Tungnam right now. So like I said, for dinner I'm gonna have something really authentic. So we're here at this old style Chinese restaurant. It serves some authentic Tibetan food. So we're here to try their best sellers actually. The ambience is not so jazzy. It might just look like a normal walk-in outlet, but trust me, you have to come to this place to try all those authentic dishes because it's totally worth every penny. So guys, I have ordered veg mafu. It's you can see it looks like noodles to me.
So basically this is a kind of rice noodle. So this place is an authentic Tibetan restaurant, one of the oldest in Kolkata. This place is definitely not famous for veg, but this is one of its signature items.
So as the lady says, it's the signature item in veg. I gotta try. Classic. This is the first time I'm actually having something Tibetan food, and I'm loving it. It's good. It's different. Definitely a good different.
So now we have ordered the best seller dishes over here. So this is what you're looking at is something called hamchwai rice. So basically it is steamed rice with a gravy of mixed meat. Again, this is highly recommended and it's yum. And this is dry chili pork. This is one of the best dishes that is known over here. And this one is a 5-spice crispy chili pork. This is so this dish is not mentioned in the menu. I don't know why. So this is highly recommended. You have to just ask. Okay, let's dig in.
अभी जस्ट खाना ख़त्म किया है हमने. They have such amazing food, amazing story behind it. So this place is very old. People over here are actually working from ages over here. The person who owns this place, I was having veg, and unlike the majority people who come here for the non-veg items, so he personally asked me if I enjoyed that, and yeah, I mean, that's such a sweet gesture, right? So on that note, a highly recommended place, definitely.